Early this year, MOFT Invisible Laptop Stand had become the most funded laptop stand, receiving thousands of positive feedbacks. Today, we are excited to introduce two new inventions: the MOFT X stand for phones and tablets. Be careful, using them can be kinda addictive. We start with MOFT X Phone Stand, the thinnest magnetic wallet stands that has all the functions that you need. With the gold vertical angles that supports all your daily tasks. Browsing, video chatting, unlocking, playing, all with a breeze. The 60-degree lifting angle is perfect for reading without moving your neck. And the triangle contact surface ensures the phone stand in a much more stable posture than any other competitors. No more looking down, no more reaching and holding, no more finger cuffs. Your hands and fingers are now all liberated. Want to watch a movie? Rotate it. Feel like going out? Take the cards and slide it into your pocket. Not like this, but this. We also found the removable glue that's not going to hurt your phone while still being tough and strong. Don't worry, you will still feel 100% safe holding a really big phone with just one hand. With a magnetic pad, you can attach it anywhere. Driving? Cooking? In the bathroom? We got you covered. You will not go back to the old days. Next up, MOFT X Tablet Stand, the lightest and most adjustable tablet stand available on the market. We minimized the weight of the average tablet stand and crafted 8 angles through all directions to create a more versatile and user-friendly product. The vertical 60-degree angle provides a natural position for reading. And the horizontal positions allow for watching movies or sketching. It also comes with a holder for your Apple Pencil. Click to easy store and charge. The best part is it only weighs a third of current tablet cases stand. It's not going to add extra strain while carrying it around or holding it. Less items to carry, lighter weight to hold, and more comfort to your body. That's how we wanted MOFT products to do. Make our life easier, more simple, and more concentrated. Support us now from today.